Hello everyone friends, on the edge of the Velru. Today I will show you how to reduce the number of processes on Windows 11. To get started, you can right-click on Start and open Task Manager. Here, after which here respectively click on accordingly the apps that turn on at startup. Here and here you can filter by status and simply disable unnecessary applications by clicking on the Disable button. That's it. And you can also go to the services, right? We simply write services here and disable unnecessary services here as well. Well, for example, Xbox is an unnecessary service here. Select Xbox and accordingly right-click, for example, yes and click respectively properties and then click stop. After that, accordingly, it will not work, right? And you will thus, reduce the number of processes. There are also other processes like BitLocker drive encryption, yes, which you can also run. Go to the properties and select manual yes or just disabled and click the apply button. That's it. Also, there is such a thing as connected user experience here. Also, right-click on the stop button. That's it. Even if you don't use parental controls, for example, you can turn them off too. Vote parental controls. Right-click on the properties and select disabled here, then click apply. That's it. Also, you may not be using a phone connection. Right phone service. Here it is, right? Accordingly, click properties, disabled and apply as well. We also have wallet management here, yes, service. If you don't use them either, also click properties and accordingly disable and apply. That's it. Next, I think I've closed everything here for some reason. That's it. So the next step is to enter the start with ISDM.cpl. Open the system control panel. Here we have advanced settings and performance, which is responsible for the speed of work and for other processes. Click properties. And I have a lot of all kinds of processes turned on here, but for me to work more smoothly, respectively, yes, for beautiful visual effects and so on. If you need speed and disable processes, yes, then click for better, respectively, for better performance. Well, for example, you can leave this, yes, this one, so that it just doesn't look like a plastic Windows at all. That's it. And I click the apply button. Here, the next thing is to go to the start, right run, right ms config here, press enter. Here we click on services respectively, and before what I am going to do now, click disable, more precisely, hide all Microsoft services, then click disable all. So, click on the apply button, that's it, and then close the dialog box. This must be done. This generally closes most of the background unnecessary processes that are not related to the system. That's it. And in the end, you can also close, respectively, the Game tab, yes, the so-called game bar. Go to Start, Settings. There is a Gaming and Game bar. You just turn it off. Here, turn it off. This is an absolutely unnecessary process that only takes away your computer resources. With you as like subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.